Hello there, math learners. For this video, this is for grade 7 mathematics under the Matatag curriculum of the DepEd program. So we will be discussing definition and properties of a polygon. So for our objective, we need to define polygon and describe its properties. Let's explore. Okay, so how do you call each of these shape? Okay, so sa nakikita nyo ngayon, may iba't ibang shapes tayo. Okay, so maybe some of you may alam kung anong pangalan ng mga shapes na ito. Okay, so meron tayong circle, meron tayong heart, star, triangle, square, and other kinds of shapes. So later, we will see if this shape are belong to polygon or a non-polygon. So we also have shapes around us. So actually, lahat ng nakikita natin are all made up of shapes. Okay, so meron tayong warning sign, stop sign, and yung ating pizza, shape of triangle. Okay, so meron pa iba't ibang shapes na nakikita natin. Okay? Or maybe yung iba hinahawakan lang natin. Now, let's define what is a polygon. Polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by line segments that meet only at their endpoints. So, para mas matandaan natin, we have these four key terms. Okay, so first we have, dapat yung shape natin ay close. Okay? Kung hindi siya close, so therefore, it is not a polygon. Next, dapat yung shape natin ay plane or may two-dimensional or flat. Next, yung shape natin ay dapat line segments. At yung shape natin ay mayroong intersecting endpoints. Now, let's try to determine if these shapes or figures are example of a polygon. Okay, so let's try this first figure here. Okay, so yung ating figure ba or yung ating shape ba ay close? Yes, it is a close figure. Next, yung ating shape ay yes, plane or flat. Next, yung ating shape ba ay may line segments? Yes. Okay, yung line segments niya ay ito. Yan. Okay. And yung ating shape ba or yung ating figure ay nagko-connect ba yung mga endpoints? Yes, nagko-connect ang kanilang endpoints. Ito yung mga endpoints niya. Okay? So therefore, this figure is a polygon. Okay, so let's proceed to more figures. Okay. So let's try this one. So is this figure or shape is a polygon or not? Okay, so let's try. So first, is it close? Yes, it is close. It is also flat. Okay, and my line segment siya. So we have here, okay, the line segment. Okay, and yung mga endpoints are intersecting to each other. Okay. So next figure natin ay, this figure is a circle. Okay, so this is a circle. So let's try if this circle is a polygon or not. Okay, so first, is it close? Yes, it is a close figure. Is it a flat figure? Yes. Okay, may line segments ba? Okay, so ating tatandaan, yung line segments dapat ay straight line. Okay? So, kung ating titignan yung ating circle ay walang straight line. So, therefore, hindi siya polygon. Okay? And there are no endpoints na nag-intersect. sa figure na or sa shape na circle. Okay? So, this circle is not a polygon. Okay, so let's proceed here. So, next figure, let's try to determine if it is a polygon. So, first, it is a closed figure. Yes. It is also flat. Yes. And may line segments ba? Yes. Okay, may line segment. Okay, we have here the line segments. Also, the endpoints of this figure are intersecting. Okay, so therefore, this figure is a polygon. Okay, so let's have more figures. Okay, so this time is it's the shape of heart. Okay, so let's try to determine. So first, is it close? Yes, close figure siya. Is it flat? Yes, it is flat. Okay, but may line segments ba? Okay, try to look at the lines. Is it a straight line or not? Not. Okay, so therefore, this heart shape is not a polygon. Okay, so it is not polygon. Okay, so for this one, this is a polygon. So for circle, this is a not polygon. And for this one, this is polygon. This one is also a polygon. Okay, so let's proceed para mas maintindihan pa. So next, we have here the next figure. So our next figure, is it a polygon or a not a polygon? Okay, very good. This is a polygon. Why? It is because the figure is close, the figure is flat, at may line segment siya. Okay, may line segment siya. At yung mga endpoints are connecting or intersecting to each other. Okay? Next. Our next figure. Try to look at our next figure. Is it a polygon or a not polygon? Okay, very good. It is not a polygon. Okay, why? It is because the line segment here, merong line na hindi straight. Okay? Yung part dito. Okay? So, as you can see, hindi siya straight. So, therefore, hindi siya polygon. Okay? Next, let's have this figure. Okay, so this figure a polygon or a not polygon? Okay, so let's try the four key terms in our polygon. So first, is it close? Yes, it is close. Next, is it plain or flat? Yes, it is also plain and flat. Next, may line segments ba? Yes, because yung mga lines dito are straight lines. Okay, but may intersecting endpoints ba? Yes, meron naman, but yung other endpoints niya ay more than one. Okay, so from here, yes, meron tayong dalawang intersecting endpoints. But here, try to look at here, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if ganon, yung ating figure is not a polygon. Okay, so therefore, this figure is not a polygon. Okay, so let's proceed. Next, is this figure a polygon or a not polygon? Okay, very good. This is a polygon. Okay, so next, for our last figure, try to look at, is this a polygon or not a polygon? Yes, it is not a polygon. Why? Okay, because in the first place, our figure is not a closed figure. Okay, try to look at, may open siya. Okay, so therefore, the figure is not a polygon. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. So I hope may natutunan kayo. At of course, please don't forget to follow, like, share, and of course, comment kung ano pa yung mga topics na gusto ninyong gawan natin ng video. So thanks for watching.